Welcome to my channel. Maximizing TP-Link EAP610 Outdoor Range. Pro Tips. 1. Placement. Think 10 to 15 feet up. Keep it away from big metal stuff, thick walls, and anything that's going to block signals. 2. Angle it right. The antennas inside have a sweet spot. A slight tilt can make a huge difference. Don't be lazy, fiddle with it. 3. Avoid interference. Scan your channels. 2.4 GHz goes further. 5 GHz is faster but dies quick. Use the 5 GHz for speed close to the AP, 2.4 for distance. 4. Adjust transmit power. By default, TP-Link isn't going balls out on transmit power. Go into the controller, crank it up a bit. Not too much, you don't want your neighbors pinging you for interference. 5. Firmware matters. Old firmware equals wasted potential. TP-Link pushes updates for stability and performance. Check it, update it, done. 6. External antennas or reflectors. You can add a directional shield or a cheap DIY parabolic reflector to focus the signal where you actually need it. 7. Mesh it if you need to. One EAP610 is solid, but don't fight physics. If you're trying to cover 200 feet of yard, maybe a second unit isn't cheating. Set it up in the controller, same SSID, seamless handoff. Done. No dead zones. Thanks for watching.